Hello, I'm Jeff Tennant. Trading is closed on March the 30th, 2015. Well, my last call said that I felt that the drop wasn't over, but that if we had a gap over Thursday's high, it would kill the call. Needless to say, we had a gap over Thursday's high. We actually came close to this 2090.11 target from March 25th. It would be kind of nice if it printed, but it's not required just because we came close. During the day, mejt said ultimately a lower price would print, which they did. In the afternoon, it gave us a target for ultimately lower prices and also a buy signal. And the W means the buy signal is pretty weak. No, that's not what I wanted to show. Let's try this again. Here's the sell. The color-coded target is right here. Note that the system said the break was a false move and that higher prices would print later on, which they did. Well, we don't have any new mejt targets for tomorrow. This 2090.11 target is close but doesn't have to print. That means we have to rely on some other stuff. Well, there are mixed signals. It's positive that we closed over this line. That wasn't supposed to happen. It implies this break was a false move. But it's not so positive that these last two updates came on greatly reduced volume. It's also a positive that we have traded over the price of the FOMC announcement. That's not supposed to happen, and it kind of kills the theory that I was going to get a three-leg whipsaw. What's not so nice is that after rallying all day, the close could not take out the middle of the day high. Usually that means if we don't have a gap over today's high, that lower prices are coming. It's also not so positive that we have a rally like this with the market slanting up. It's kind of similar to this pattern here, a rally and then slanting up. It tends not to be a sustainable move. Here's the same pattern, a rally and prices slanting up. There tends to be a drop, and I think it's particularly telling that today's high was a Fibonacci target of the prior consolidation here and also a Fibonacci target of this move. For those reasons, my best guess is that if today's high holds, we should drop, and if we have a gap over it, that prediction is not going to work. Or at least I'm going to say it's canceled. I can't say we won't have a gap up and then drop. I don't know. So the call for tomorrow is either we have a gap over this high or lower prices, and that's today's call.